Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite loading screen stuck problem. Let's fix it guys. The first step is to check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements to run Fortnite. If your hardware is below the recommended specification, it might struggle to load the game. The second step is to update the graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause loading issues. To update that, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing this, just close off here. The third step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause loading problems. Verifying the integrity of game files can fix this. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to the Fortnite and select Manage. Select the verify files. After getting verifying, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. The fourth step is to adjust in-game settings. Lowering the game's graphics settings can help reduce the load on your system. To do this, you just need to launch the Fortnite and press in keyboard escape key and select the setting gear icon. In here, you need to select the video option. In here, you need to lower the settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadows, and disable features like VSync. Turn off the VSync and you just need to scroll down. Frame rate set to 60 and motion blur turn it off and scroll down. Quality presets set to low. Dynamic 3D resolution turn it off and nanite visualized geometry turn it off. Shadows turn it off. Global illumination turn it off. Reflections turn it off. View distance set to near. Textures set to low. Effects set to low. Post processing set to low. In advanced graphics, you just need to turn off all of these listed over here, guys. So FPS, use GPU crash debugging, latency markers, and NVIDIA reflects low latency, latency flash, report performance stats. After doing all these changes, select apply to save changes and select back. And now you are ready to play the game, guys. The fifth step is to update Windows. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. As updates often includes performance improvements and bug fixes. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your Windows up to date, guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. The sixth step is to disable background applications. Background application can interfere with Fortnite. Disabling unnecessary application and services can resolve the issue. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Select the startup apps, and in here you need to disable unnecessary programs, guys. Just right click on it and disable it. And after doing this, go to processes tab and you just need to end task the unnecessary applications running in the background. And after doing this, just to close stuff here. The seventh step is to adjust virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if your system is running low on RAM. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Comes up a control panel item, click on open it. Select the advanced tab and under the performance select settings. Select advanced tab again and under the virtual memory select the change. You just need to uncheck this option, guys. automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then you just need to select the C drive or here in this list, and then select the custom size option or here. I already set these values, that's why that is already selected. You just need to select the custom size, and you just need to check my video description for these values, guys. Depending on how much RAM you have, you just need to copy the value. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM, that's why I'm gonna copy and paste these values in here. I already have these values. Copy and paste in installer size and maximum size. Copy and paste the value. After pasting it, select set, and after setting it, the value will be listed over here, guys. And after that, select OK. Select apply and OK. After doing this, it will be requires you to restart your PC, and you just need to select the restart option and restart your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues of Fortnite getting stuck on the loading screen. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.